Hi, welcome to Lighter Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Instagram story collage option not showing. Now, the first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store and or App Store, depending on your device, and update your Instagram to the latest version. So if you see update, you update yours the way I'm just doing mine now. The next thing you can do is to make sure you have a good network connection. You can switch from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data, or you can switch from your mobile data to your Wi-Fi. You can also turn on your airplane for like 10 to 15 minutes before you turn it off. Just turn it on and turn it off after 15 minutes. It will help the phone to restart properly. Now the next thing you can do is to go out from yours. So you're going to clear your cache. So you just search for your Instagram, click steadily on the app. So you're going to see app info, click on it. So from here, all you have to do is to click on storage and cache in order to clear your cache. So when you clear your cache, it will help to free up the phone from any box that's delaying the phone from being active or the app from being active. The next thing you can do is to restart your phone. Click on the power button steadily. So right here, click on restart. Confirm you want to restart and restart your phone. Having done that, you can now go back and open your Instagram. So when you reopen your Instagram, you're going to see the story option at the top left corner. Click on it. So from here, you're going to click on the camera option right here. So right here, you're going to see your layout right here. That shows that your phone you're able to fix story collage option. So if this video was helpful, do want to